Alright, guys. I'm gonna get some revenge. Quinn made me eat that little nitro gummy. She made it hot, so I'm gonna be cold with it. I froze her Fidgets in her favorite cereal bowl. She's outside playing with her poppet right now. Hey, Quinn. Revenge.
Really?
Ha.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe he froze my Fidgets. Because I can feel the spiky ball in here. It's really hard. Oh no, he froze my mini pop. It's really hard to see. It's kind of cool how roaches feel. I got a hammer. Ooh, wait, what? Because the moon was coming out. Okay. It's stuck in the bowl of the ice. I tried taking it out off camera. It's not coming out. I guess I'm gonna have to get the hammer. One second. There we go. Hammer. Try and get out the video. Whoa. Nice. I'm just gonna throw that. Oops. Camera. Being weird today. It's not wanting to come out. Okay. Oops. Got the spiky ball out. Ew, it's not frozen. It's kind of weird. If I set that still over there. Move that over there so I can actually get it out. Oh no, I see my marking vanish. Why would, oh crap, almost broke the pea popper. Out. Okay, it's not wanting to come out. Oh, there we go. We got the monkey little home down there. Ooh, I can feel my mochi. My shark mochi. Okay, I'm gonna try to tear him out. There we go. Got the shark mochi. Oh no, it's really hard for him to get squished because like how cold he is. Oh no, he froze my lamb mochi. Looks like it's hard to chip away at it. I know, he froze the lion mochi. Put that over there. I see the pea popper. Well, I kind of feel it. Oh no, he froze Simple Dimple. Rude. Comment down below if I should get revenge on him for freezing my Fidgets. I don't know what I'd freeze. Yeah, I probably couldn't freeze anything. Because, like, what would I freeze? It's really cold. Let's keep on getting out of the shower. I see the pea popper. I don't want to break it. It's right there. Ice. Try to shake all the ice out. Why isn't it coming out? It's not wanting to come out whatsoever. I got the P. Got a P. It feels so weird. I see my poppet. Try and get the pea popper out though. Oh, that's a nice chunk. Shake it out again. I feel the pea popper, but I'm not trying to break it. Ice feels really cool, especially when it gets on your arms and it melts. It feels weird, but like weird, mainly weird. I'm trying to scoop most of the ice out with my fingers. cold. Oh, I see the marble mesh. Well, I feel the marble mesh, not see. Oh no, he froze my mini puppet. The popsicle one too. That one's brand new. Got that like a day ago. Oh, I think I got the pea popper. Stuck in ice still. Hopefully this doesn't ruin the pea popper. Ah! Oh no, the string came out. It's super hard to pop now, but like, the string came out, but I know how to fix that. Okay, I can't get the string out, but I know how to fix it. It feels super weird. I'll just go like through that over there. It feels like a slushie. And there's glitter in it. Pea popper feels so weird. Okay, back to chopping with this. I think I'm gonna go for the marble mesh. Bring them in the sun more. Ah, my cheek fell. Oh no, I'm wet. Oh, my feet are wet. Trying to get it out, it's not working. Try it out? No. Oh. Guys, it finally came out. I just broke the marble mesh off. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm gonna try to throw this. It's like ice. Try throwing this right here. It's working. Oops. Okay, got the simple dimple out finally. Ah, that's hard. Okay, and I finally got the thing out. Pop it out. Wait, did it ruin the poppet? Because that's like one of my favorite poppets. Besides this one. I want to get revenge on him, but I don't know how. Comment down below if you have any ideas. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.